this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the high mount third brake light on your Toyota Highlander, located on the rear tailgate. Using a Phillips head screwdriver or Phillips head bit and a driver, take out the two screws. Do the same thing on the other side. Pull down and out, and there's going to be one connector. Push on this tab and pull back and remove your third brake light. Grab your new third brake light, push the connector back in, push the brake light up into place, and install your two screws. Snug down the two screws. And then check the operation by hitting the brake pedal. And that's all.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.